400k followers? Woo! Thank you for 400k followers. Let's go.
What happened? Hello? Oh my god, no fucking way! Oh shit, I gotta close this! Oh my, no fucking way! No fucking way that just happened! No fucking way that just happened!
When in doubt, Shazam is out. Yeah. Alright, Final Fantasy is up and running. I did put it out.
So I have like invested so many hours. This is not helping my speech right now.
Was it eyelash? I was literally walking up the stairs. I dropped my phone. I went to pick up my phone and I fell down the stairs. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call my parents back and let them know. This?
Oh yeah, let's milk the cow.
Milk the cow?
Milk the bull. I mean, these are these are famous dance moves, you know? You can't do one without the other. This is my mom. This is Stomp with Leroy. You should check it up on YouTube.
I know that video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Famous
Isn't that
moves.
Swedish?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's Swedish, by the way. It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah, the cow boobs, of course. You know. Now this is the handshake dance.
You are out now. You're out. Out.
Okay, bye.
Out. I banned him. He's been.
Wait, guys, I just had a thought. Do you isn't it weird that everyone has a birthday this year? Like, I swear every single person I know had a birthday this year. That's wild.
Is I'm gonna go to each of one of my friends, try to seduce them, and see which one of my friends would fuck my girlfriend. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going straight to Sears' house. Okay? I'm going straight to Sears' house as Milena. I'm walking in a squirrel girl outfit.
Why do you put my...
I'm gonna be like, hey, big boy, I've been waiting for this. And I'm gonna see if Sierra would take the bait. Straightly after that, I'm going straight to Mrs. house. Same scenario, okay? I'm gonna walk in there with a box, a nice box and a loogie, a PSA 10.
Are you trying to bribe people?
No, I'm just gonna see which one of them would take the bait under the most absolute circumstances. And then
Are you sure it's not just because you want to fuck Sarah?
Wait, am I gay?
Dude, that's the first thing you thought about? What? You're like, okay.